Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Hair, to my old and returning subscribers. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, you are very much welcome, like bienvenue. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this video, subscribe to me. In fact, subscribe to whatever is making you happy right now. And so in this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve these full locks, which are handmade. So I use this kinky hair to achieve these handmade locks. So you can use whatever brand of kinky of your choice. All works the same. So this is what I'm using. So for the size, I'll be using like one of these bulk, as you can see, like this portion. I'll be using one for a lock. So the size of the locks and the length also determine on how you're going to cut the hair. So all these tools here, you can use it can still give you the same result. Even I'm going to make another video showing you how you can use needle, like this needle, to make your locks. So this is the big crochet pin, you can use it, the small crochet pin, and the lock pin itself. So all of these can be used to achieve this lock. So I'll make a video showing you how to use these different tools to achieve this very lock. So here it is. I'm going to stretch. I'm stretching to detangle the locks, the hair, please. So first things first, you go ahead and stretch in order to detangle. And the upper part, notice the way I'm stretching, because I want one part to be longer ahead where I'm going to form the crochet loop. That's why I'm pulling up here. So that's the part I need up there. So you discover like this is where all the hair ends down here. So the part up is the part I'm going to use to form the crochet loop. So I go ahead and twist it or twine it, flip it over. I use my pin to lock it, that is so that it will be like solid, firm, and hairs will not be flying like all over. So I'm using my lock pin right here to lock that area. I rub it with my palm. So that's it. So I'm going to tie it over like a knot, like this. So that is the loop. We just created the loop. Guys, watch this part very well. It's very important because that's the base of the locks. So when we create the loop, we discover we come back right to where all the other strand of hair ended. So I'm pushing up everything so that everything should have like one thickness, one density. So here we go, we roll it over and start locking it. You know the locking motion, in and out. The hair that comes out, you flip it over, out, flip it over, turn it around. So it shows that when you turn the hair around, that's why you see me, I keep turning around. It's like the hair that comes out, you put it in another hole down so as to interlock it very well, and those hair also like keep the hair in the center secured so that everything comes out smooth, clean, neat, and flawless. So it's not just to be doing the in and out motion with the lock pin, you have to also be feeling it with your hand. Like your palm has to be feeling what is underneath, because remember your palm is on top, so you have to be feeling what is happening there. So as you're walking, you're verifying and seeing. So here we go, the knots, like the loop, the crochet loop is already formed. So we now go into the body. So it's the same way, the in and out, like keep sending the crochet pin in and out and rolling over, in, out, and rolling over. So that is the knot. It's already formed. So we are going to do same thing all over. So you see the pin comes out with hair hooked on it, so I flip it over. Guys, don't just put your pin on one spot and be inserting the pin in and out, like all over. It should be from once you send it at a particular spot and remove the next time you send it in a different spot. So because if you keep sending it at a particular spot, at the end of your locks you're going to discover that it's going to be like chunky or thick at a particular areas. Your locks will not be smooth and bouncy and like what we have here. So if you are doing this at home or for yourself, please follow the instructions clearly and do as you see me doing here. So guys, keep watching and please don't forget to watch this video to the end, okay? Because the instructions I'll be giving throughout the video is really what you need in order to achieve a perfect lock. So watch the video right to the end and get all the instructions. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel and you're watching this far, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe to me, to this video. In fact, subscribe to yourself, like subscribe to whatever is making you happy right now, because I have a lot of good things I'll be showing here on this channel, so you don't want to miss any of those things. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification so that each time I upload a new video you'll be instantly notified. Yes, and do well also to share this video. That is the best you can do for me, and I really do appreciate that. So if you don't have the locs pin and you have this crochet pin, is still fine. You can still achieve the perfect result with this crochet pin. The only thing here is the crochet pin is not as fast, it doesn't work fast as the locs pin. But guys, I'll make another video showing you how to make your own locs pin at home with just like the one I'm using in this video, and you get the same result. So this crochet pin also, it does the same thing, but like I said, it's a little bit slow compared to the locs pin, but the result is the same. So if you don't have this locs pin at home, you can go ahead and feel free to do it with this crochet pin and you get the same result. So guys, at this point we are at the last part of the log, so I turn it over. As you can see, I'm pulling the extra hair inward in order to achieve that round edge, like that round beautiful end. We don't want the logs at the end to be maybe like slim or different from the other parts of the log. So we turn over and pull in. Guys, can you see how kinky this lock is? It's not like the lock is not too stiff. It's kinky, it's beautiful. So at the end of everything, you rub or you roll the locks in between your hands to like press down or seal in any flying hair. So this is the final result. Like, do you see that? Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. Like, it's a thumbs up for me. If you're watching this video, like, if you've watched this far, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe bell. Like, do also well, like, do me well to share this video. So I have another video showing you how to install this, but this is just a quick demo of how to install this on your hair or on your client's hair. So you insert the smaller crochet inside the locks to grab the natural hair and hide it inside. So that's it, and voila. So guys, you can even go ahead and do these logs and monetize it. Do it for yourself, for your family and loved ones. So this is the next video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to achieve these 3 color locks. I know you love this and you can't wait to see it. So subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss this, and turn on your notification. Bye.